is serving food, it hasn't gotten to your tongue. Some people will start misbehaving. You don't see me? You dey carry food dey pass me? You know, that is it. You are supposed to be patient. Wait for your time. People around you just look at you. This guy, he's an impatient man. That is, you've gotten yourself a big name. But even if they come, they pass you by, and you keep calm, you keep cool, you're watching. Somebody else will even speak on your behalf. You've not given that woman food. And they'll come to you and say, thank you. You take it. So sometimes you might not even know it, but people will, by the time you start exhibiting this thing, this outburst of anger over little thing shows you're impatient. You have zero tolerance for any delay. Some people is so bad that they can even fight. There are some men who fight their wives. Get ready for church, even pastors. They are wasting my time. They wouldn't just drive and leave the church, leave everybody. No, we have to. They will not. You will know. These are the things when you can't zero tolerance for it. At least try to know that if you are an early person, you can get up and do something very early. Always know that no, the 5 fingers are not equal, and so you try to get other people to your own side.
Do you understand that we have inbuilt character, and this inbuilt character, like there are some men now, if they want to go to church, they are house and they will tell the wife, honey, let's go to church. Immediately they are out before the wife, they will start shouting. Why they are as they can wait? So how do you separate this personal character from that impatience? I want you to relate it for me. Thank you.
All right, you got the question.
If you as a man, you want to help your wife to do things early, you shouldn't just wake up, take your bath, and then you dress up, you are in the car already blowing or blasting the horn. Madam, come on, I'm going to the church. What did you help her? How did you manage with her to make sure that the children are well dressed, everything is right, so we can both leave home the same time?
You are watching Break It Down talk show, Break It Down talk show. Break It Down talk show, do not miss it.